Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Human Torch in InVision's Web Verse. To add this fiery hero to your roster, you'll need to purchase a special downloadable content pack. This pack is not earned through quests or missions, but rather bought directly from the in-game store. It's a straightforward process, ensuring you can quickly unleash his powers across the city. Let's dive into the steps to acquire him and start soaring through the skies. Finding the correct pack is simple. First, open the main menu while you are in the game. From there, you will want to look for and select the Extras category. This section houses various additional content, including character packs. Within Extras, locate the specific offering titled DLC Pack 8, or sometimes referred to as the Wild Card Pack. This is where Human Torch awaits your purchase. Once you've found the pack, the next step is to complete the purchase. The DLC Pack 8 is priced at 329 Robux. After selecting the pack, you will be prompted to confirm your purchase. Upon successful transaction, Human Torch will be added to your available characters. As an added bonus, this particular pack also grants you access to the character gambit, giving you two fantastic new heroes to enjoy. With Human Torch unlocked, it's time to experience his incredible abilities. Head to your character selection screen and choose him. To ignite his signature Flame on Power, simply press the F key. This will envelop him in flames, ready for action. For aerial movement, press and hold the spacebar to fly, and if you need to cover ground faster, press the Shift key to activate a super speed boost. Enjoy soaring and blazing through the city.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.